Human, help. There's a bird in there. What are we eating? Yum yum. Or, he's swinging himself. I'm gonna be stuck on this shaky branch forever. Human dropped a salty snack. Taka taka. No. No. This is the best time of the year. Human stays home to scratch me more. Human also puts out more perches. And makes some shredding toys just for me. Cockatiel lid types. Extra large. Rogue feather. Molting. Bart Simpson. Baby. None. Don't laugh. Put hand near cage at your own risk. My things don't need to be cleaned. How absolute dare. All drinks in mugs shall be shared. Birds can't have caffeine. All attention belongs to me, not imposters. How to eat healthy food. A guide by chicken. 1. Scream at it. 2. Throw it. 3. Request junk food. The meaning of life. No one can tell you. You must choose it for yourself. 41. Humans may not touch pink feathers. 42. When washing, get the underflutters. 43. Half-open closets are for playing in. 44. I'm allowed to make soup in my drinking water. Introducing dogs. Oh my god friend. Hello friend. Best friend. Introducing birds. Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary. Your arm is dirty. That's my tattoo. I'll get it off. How to eat more vegetables. A guide for humans. 1. Get a bird. Do not. 2. Eat junk food. 3. Bird eats what you eat. Bad. 4. No choice but to eat vegetables now. Good. Square goes. Here. Diamond goes. Here. Heart goes. Waddle. Here. I'm tired of doing everything as a group. I'd be better off alone. But think of the beautiful things we can accomplish together. I could do that better alone. If I don't eat soon, it's getting dark. If only human would just share her snack. You just ate a whole sweet potato. I can simply snap my fingers. And 50% of my food will be on the floor. Perfectly balanced. Important human meeting. Hello. Thank you all for meeting me here today. As I'm sure you are all aware, there is currently a shortage of seeds in my bowl. What book you eating? Dickens, it's a bit wordy for my taste. What's with that guy? His human reads Dostoevsky. 61. The correct way to eat is by foot hand. 62. Foot hand not required for sticky fruits, use human. 63. Attention given to others must be supervised. 64. All items thrown to the ground shall remain there. Other birds. Step up. Bath time. My bird. Map. But this? Perfect bath. We are going through another park. Don't worry, I don't think there are any squirrels in this one. Fast hop. Fast hop. Birdie, where are you? Shh, I'm watching TV. How could Michael lie to those kids? I'm not supposed to go behind there. But if I take tiny steps and pause, they can't see me move closer. Chicken, stop. Stop what? Can I take a photo? Okay. Len, get all cute. Wait, I see food. Bye. I want to go outside. If only there was a way. I could go outside to play. Get that thing away from me. Big stretch. Anybody in there? Dial up noises. I found the perfect snuggle spot. It's so warm. And the best part, no one can see me. Would you like a shower? Okay. Here comes the water. Wait. Nope, it's cold. Bye. Look, it's snowing. That's not snow. Oops. I got you. Thanks. I'm no good for nobody. Hey, that's not true. Don't touch my keys. Hey. 97. Burbs are allowed on human glasses always. 98. A construction manager must oversee Lego projects. 99. No hand, only scritch. 100. At least half of one's food must end up on the floor. Where do you think we are headed? I was going to go get some fries on the pier. No, I mean big picture. What is the culminating result of consciousness? Where does this path end? I still feel like it has something to do with those fries on the pier. Human, what you doing? Dancing. Oh. Waddle. Trip. Human and I like to play a game. I do a scream. And she screams back. Hey cheeks, come here. Thinking. Flap. Whoosh. Oh no. I guess I'm pretty content these days. I'm feeling healthy, got plenty to eat. Time to stir up some unnecessary bullshit. It's my birthday. I've made so many friends. And I met you. I'm very lucky. Be careful what you say. I have a bad temper. Really? I've always found you impossibly sweet. I'm about to go off.